That is, we shall set you up on a money date. Yes. So you must have heard about different dates. You must be going out, celebrating at home, from your anniversaries to your birthdays. Well, you must add another date to that. That is your money date. So the idea behind this money date is that we want to help you create a comfortable space on a scheduled date and time, so you cannot push it any further, where you sit face to face with each other and start talking about money with each other. On this money date, we would encourage you to discuss about your money issues, your money beliefs, your aspirations, and what you see for yourself and each other with your investments, growth, and wealth. So without any further ado, let us explain to you how this money date will work. So to set up a money date, fix a date of the month, preferably have this date at home because we'll have to discuss a lot about your money, savings, investments. So it's easier to have this date at home. Keep your phone on silent. You don't want to be checking phone or your Instagram when you're talking about investments with each other. Do not use candlelight. So the light in this date is going to be your laptops or a book that will help you to make notes. Preferably decide your food discussions beforehand. We don't want you to waste time thinking, should we order pizza today or Chinese, right? So fix everything before you set on this money date. And well, keep all the things ready that we're going to share with you through this session for your money date. So what are you waiting for? Before I move ahead, I would request you guys to pause this video, decide a date of this month when you will schedule a money date. Basically, the idea is that if you want to stop fighting about money and have concrete discussions for which you have signed up to this course, right? You need to sit with each other and you need to trust each other and start talking about money. And that is only possible when you are in a setup where you're very clear that, okay, no other thoughts are going to disturb me. Me and my spouse are here to talk about our money and money beliefs and move ahead. Now, what happens is that in the following sessions of this course, we're going to teach you about various technical things of managing your money as a couple. But before we do that, you need to understand what both of you want from each other and yourselves and as a couple with respect to your money. And it's possible only when you have these discussions before we move to the following sessions. So when it comes to these money dates, expect certain emotions to surface around money. It may also happen that some of you may experience anxiety, shame, or conflict when you're talking about money, because initial conversations could be fun and talking about things where you lost money or your most fun expense that you did, but after a point of time these discussions could start getting serious, right? And it may not feel great, but then the idea is that you move past these emotions, open your heart and talk about this to your partner. This is only going to make your relationship stronger. Remember that you are here as a team. You both play for the same team and you have to figure out this together. And please note that the way you look at money today is going to change the way you would look at it 5 or 10 years later from now. In fact, your entire outlook about how you manage your money would change at the end of this session. So it would be interesting that you take this money date with a pinch of salt and start talking about it with each other. So you may wonder, what do we need to talk about in this money date? I mean, we've already tried talking about money and it didn't really work, or for some of you it would have really worked, right? So it's subjective. So what are we going to do in this money date? In this money date, we're going to discuss about our money beliefs with each other. What do we think about entire money and our earnings, and what do we want to do with it? Now, how do we start discussing about that with each other? Through this game, you will come to know how and what you think about your money, and it will also help Things that you must keep in mind when you're having your money date: be honest and take equal responsibility of your financial problems. Do not convert this money date into a money fight. See, the idea of this money date is that you start talking about money and your money beliefs with each other. This should not convert into a blame game. Trust each other and talk about your financial history, because that will help you and your spouse to understand your money decisions. Communicating about your money with each other will only make your wedding stronger, and it will money proof your marriage. Traditionally, we didn't really speak about money, and I'm sure we've seen many families who've suffered because one person would take charge of everything finance at home and not discuss it with the other partner. Well, that worked in a situation where we lived in joint families, and if anything went wrong, someone or the other was there to take care of you. But now we are living in smaller families. It's very important that we start trusting each other and start talking about money to each other, right? So as we say that money may not buy love, but fighting about it will definitely bankrupt your relationship. So we don't want you to be fighting about money all day and night, but through this money date, start communicating about it and start trusting each other about your money. Because once you do that, once your money date is done, you will have a lot of money questions. We are sure that you would have a notepad filled with FAQs, right? And that is exactly where our sessions will begin. You may have questions about how do we budget, how do we manage our expenses, what are taxes, how do we set goals, how do we invest? And all those questions are taken one after the other in our following sessions. That is why it is very important that before you start your learning, take a week off or take a weekend and have this date. We want you to learn better with us, and this is the activity that will help you do that. So go ahead, play your favorite music, light that candle, maybe keep it a little far, and schedule your money date.